Dark circles are a common issue that can make your face look tired and older than it really is. The good news: there are fast and effective ways to brighten the under-eye area and reduce dark circles in a short time. In this video, you'll discover the best natural and science-based methods to get rid of dark circles quickly. Let's get started. 1. Cold compress. Instant results. Cold compresses are one of the quickest ways to reduce puffiness and dark circles. The cold temperature helps constrict the blood vessels under the eyes, which immediately reduces darkness. How to use: wrap ice cubes in a soft cloth, or use a cold spoon, or apply a chilled gel eye mask. Place it under your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. Result: instant brightness and noticeable reduction in 2. Cucumber slices. Natural brightening cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and have natural skin brightening properties, making them a classic but highly effective remedy. How to use: cut to thick, cold cucumber slices. Place them under your eyes for 10 minutes. Benefits: hydrates the skin, reduces puffiness, and naturally brightens the under-eye area. 3. Green tea bags. Antioxidant power. Green tea bags are one of the best natural treatments because they contain caffeine and antioxidants that tighten the skin and boost circulation. How to use: steep 2 green tea bags in hot water. Refrigerate them until chilled. Place them over your eyes for 15 minutes. Why it works: caffeine reduces dilated blood vessels, making dark circles appear lighter. Quatrin, cold milk, gentle lightening and soothing. Cold milk is excellent for sensitive under-eye skin. It contains lactic acid and vitamins that help brighten and soothe the area. How to use: dip cotton pads into cold milk. Apply them under your eyes for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Result: gentle brightening, reduced irritation, and soft, refreshed skin. 5. Aloe vera gel. Deep overnight repair. Aloe vera is one of the best natural ingredients for repairing and hydrating the under-eye area. It promotes collagen production and reduces pigmentation. How to use: apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel under your eyes before bed. Leave it overnight. Rinse in the morning. Benefits: gradual brightening, deep hydration, and skin renewal. 6. Fixing the root causes. Try these natural and effective remedies, and you'll start noticing real improvement within a few days. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe for more beauty and wellness videos. Thank you for watching.